What if we want some kind of separator dynamically? What is there?
You want a separator.
Yeah, if I want to separate the elements.
Between each element instead
Yeah.
of describing it like here in the
Yeah,
margin of a
because
container.
sometimes I don't want the padding up
Mhm.
and below, but only in between them. A little bit complex.
Then a list view provides us with a so-called wrong
Is there any
combination.
other widget or
Yeah, should wrong
what's
combination.
going on?
Yeah.
Okay, now there are 3. Now you're talking.
Yes, as I told in the beginning, we have 3 different constructors. The one you're looking for is probably the separated one.
And
So-
there's custom. Let's talk about that.
Oh, we don't have an item extend.
Item extension separated, maybe not.
Yeah, probably. Okay, so we don't have an item extend now.
Separated one
but what
something.
it wants is the separator builder now.
Okay, now this is another widget.
Exactly. The separator builder is actually this kind of element that you want to use as a divider for between each element of the list view. So usually it's a divider, right?
Divider or some spacing in between? I don't care.
Yeah, we can create a divider.
But you showed another widget. There is a divider to divide. That's a line, I guess, some kind of line, isn't it?
Exactly.
Okay.
So we can define its thickness, for example. Let's say it's pretty thick.
Okay. Thickness 2.0.
And
It sounds like some version, isn't it? Thickness 2.0.
thickness 2.0.
The movie title. Thick 2.0. Okay, great. Colors black. Bang.
So now we have a separator.
Okay, now there is separator and okay.
If we would remove actually the margin, or did we already remove it? Then we have this kind of a standard padding. Because we see there is each element separated.
It's separated with the divider, but there is some kind of in between spaces. I don't know what is that.
Yeah,
Must probably.
I mean, it's the padding itself. There must be maybe some kind of standard padding. Because I don't see different thing here.
Let's give that container one height.
Yeah, just a moment.
Padding would just keep padding to the whole.
We can just say we don't have any padding. So I think. Yeah, so as you can see, we always have to find out some stuff.
Colors.orange.
Yeah, but the container has no.
Let's give it height, some
Okay.
height.
The container.
Yeah, the container. Height 50. More visible and clear.
I think separator builder. Yeah.
Size box. There is some inbuilt padding, but I don't know what.
Yeah, I used edge inset 0 for the padding.
It's
Item builder, separator builder. Item count is nice. Cache extend. I don't see why. I expected no. Maybe there must be some standard, I guess.
paddings here.
Yeah, some standard padding for the by the separator builder.
Once divider, thickness to color black. That's all we
Wait,
did.
Isn't it maybe the thickness? Let's say. Don't take thickness count.
Only height.
Only height.
Maybe?
Let's say 5. Even if I wouldn't use that, would have only a height of 1 by the setting here.
No specific, but divider is taking some default value.
Defaults to 0, defaults to 0.
Everything is default to 0,
Height
but 16.
Defaults to 16 if not set.
Because of that? I think so, because when we defined height, it shrinked.
Yeah,
Yeah.
let's that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, the height.
Yeah, height. It's because of height, because there's a default value for height. That is 6.
Yeah,
Okay, 1
yes,
should be fine in that
one
case.
should be actually. Yeah, that's what I expected.
Yeah, and I would expect, instead of divider, I would have added a sized box with height.
Yeah,
Right.
might also be possible. Yeah.